일상대화 연습하기. 비행기. 항공권 예약.
Hi. I'd like to book a flight to New York.
Sure. When do you want to travel?
I want to leave on December 10th.
What return date are you considering?
I'd like to return on December 20th.
Let me check the available flights for you.
Hi. I'd like to book a flight to New York. I want to leave on December 10th. I'd like to return on December 20th.
Sure. When do you want to travel? What return date are you considering? Let me check the available flights for you.
Can you help me find a round-trip ticket to London?
Of course. What are your travel dates?
I'm planning to leave on January 5th and return on January 12th.
Let me find some options for you.
Thank you.
Here are the flights I found.
Can you help me find a round-trip ticket to London? I'm planning to leave on January 5th and return on January 12th. Thank you.
Of course. What are your travel dates? Let me find some options for you. Here are the flights I found.
I want to book a one-way ticket to Paris.
When do you want to travel?
I'd like to leave on February 15th.
Do you have a specific time in mind?
I prefer a morning flight if possible.
Let me find the best options for you.
I want to book a one-way ticket to Paris. I'd like to leave on February 15th. I prefer a morning flight if possible.
When do you want to travel? Do you have a specific time in mind? Let me find the best options for you.
Are there any discounts available for flights to Tokyo?
Yes, we have a promotion for early bookings.
What dates are eligible for the discount?
The discount is available for flights booked at least 30 days in advance.
I'll book my ticket now then.
Great. Let me assist you with that.
Are there any discounts available for flights to Tokyo? What dates are eligible for the discount? I'll book my ticket now then.
Yes, we have a promotion for early bookings. The discount is available for flights booked at least 30 days in advance. Great. Let me assist you with that.
I need to change my flight reservation.
What's the reason for the change?
I have a scheduling conflict with my original date.
No problem. When would you like to reschedule?
I'd like to move it to March 10th.
Let me check the availability for that date.
I need to change my flight reservation. I have a scheduling conflict with my original date. I'd like to move it to March 10th.
What's the reason for the change? No problem. When would you like to reschedule? Let me check the availability for that date.
Can I cancel my flight reservation?
Yes, but there may be cancellation fees.
How much are the fees?
The fees depend on the airline's policy.
Can you provide me with the details?
Sure. I'll check your booking and get back to you.
Can I cancel my flight reservation? How much are the fees? Can you provide me with the details?
Yes, but there may be cancellation fees. The fees depend on the airline's policy. Sure. I'll check your booking and get back to you.
Do you offer travel insurance with flight bookings?
Yes, we do. Would you like to add it to your ticket?
What does the insurance cover?
It covers cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost luggage.
How much is the insurance fee?
It's usually around 10% of the ticket price.
Do you offer travel insurance with flight bookings? What does the insurance cover? How much is the insurance fee?
Yes, we do. Would you like to add it to your ticket? It covers cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost luggage. It's usually around 10% of the ticket price.
I'm looking for a flight with flexible dates.
When are you planning to travel?
I'm open to traveling anytime in April.
Let me find flights around that month for you.
Thank you for your help.
No problem. I'll check the best options.
I'm looking for a flight with flexible dates. I'm open to traveling anytime in April. Thank you for your help.
When are you planning to travel? Let me find flights around that month for you. No problem. I'll check the best options.
I'd like to book a flight for my family.
How many tickets do you need?
We need 4 tickets, please.
What are your travel dates?
We want to leave on June 1st and return on June 15th.
Let me check the available options for you.
I'd like to book a flight for my family. We need 4 tickets, please. We want to leave on June 1st and return on June 15th.
How many tickets do you need? What are your travel dates? Let me check the available options for you.
Can I choose my seat when booking a flight?
Yes, you can select your seat during the booking process.
Is there a fee for selecting specific seats?
Some airlines charge for seat selection, while others do not.
I'd like to know which ones do.
I'll check that information for you.
Can I choose my seat when booking a flight? Is there a fee for selecting specific seats? I'd like to know which ones do.
Yes, you can select your seat during the booking process. Some airlines charge for seat selection, while others do not. I'll check that information for you.
일상대화 연습하기. 구독과 좋아요는 큰 힘이 됩니다. 감사합니다.